Getting in and out of an inflatable kayak looks scary, but it's actually really easy. In this quick video, we'll show you exactly how to do it safely in shallow water. Later, you can move on to dockside entries, which are more complicated.
There you go.
Hello.
Bye.
What do you do with this?
Push yourself forward.
Callie?
Push yourself forward.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Even if you are a little heavier, it's still pretty easy. Just focus on keeping your weight low and moving slowly and carefully. If possible, have somebody standing by to hold on to the kayak the first couple of times to keep it steady. Here's Z triumphantly returning from her first kayak. As you can see, she was a little nervous at first, but once she started to get out, it was really easy. These inflatable kayaks are a lot more stable than you might think. If you just swing your legs over and push on that oar, it's really easy to get out. You didn't even need the oar. It helps when you weigh about 100 pounds, but anyway. Maggie has a lot more experience of getting out of these kayaks, and she shows just how effortless it can be. Hey, Billy.
Hi, Billy. Hey, Billy. Billy Wonka. They're really hard to travel with.